Hi, I'm Leesajoann Iverson and I'm here with another Fishy Friends video. Today we're going to be painting in and using some chalks to create a butterfly. Not a fish, but a butterfly. Still a friend of the fish, I guess. Anyway, here's the butterfly that I'm working on, and I just wanted to explain that at the start of this video you're going to see this butterfly, but it's outlined on my black watercolor paper. I just used some tracing paper in between, so put it behind this and then just used a pencil to outline what I wanted. So I've kind of got the outline that I can work with and know that I've got the right shape to start with. Okay. We got a great start on our butterfly wing. We started with just some blue and orange watercolors, and then we added some of the beautiful kind of glittery paint that I have that really stands out against that black background. So it's a great start, and this time I'm going to be filling in the background, so I'm using some chalk. So just if you're hoping to do some mixed media like this, just make sure that your watercolor is dry. We've got a really good start on our butterfly and on our background, and we're going to continue and just layer on some more. So the next thing I'm going to be using is this, I've got some, some ink, and it's water-based, so I've added a little bit of water just to get it the consistency that I want it, and I've got a fine tip applicator. So this gives me a lot of control over where I can put this. So here we go with that, and I'll finish up the background. Thanks for watching Fishy Friends. If you are enjoying these videos, I encourage you to watch some more and subscribe if you haven't. I'd really appreciate that. Like the videos and ring that bell so that you can receive notifications on any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and let's finish off this butterfly.